Hi there, my name is Fate Intervention. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we are going to do something really exciting and funny. I asked you guys to send me some questions on Instagram for a Q&A, and that's what we are going to do today. So I'm gonna fix my brows and I'll be right back to get into this video. I just finished my brows, so let's get into this video. Okay, I wrote the questions down. I'm going to show the questions here or there. Today I'm using this Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to take the shade Living My Best. I think it's a beautiful red color. The first question. When did you start doing drag? Well, actually I started doing drag in February during Carnival. That's really something here in the Netherlands though. So I was like, let me try this out, and I really wanted to represent a female, so that's actually what I did. I will put a picture in the video. That's when I started doing drag, February 2020. The second question is, why did you start to do drag and what inspired you? Well, when I was 5 years old, I told my mom that I want to become a girl. And she was like, no, that's not possible, because they are very religious and stuff like that. So that's why I couldn't become a girl. But now I'm happy that I did not become a girl, because I had like this struggle that I wanted to be a man, but I wanted to be a female as well. So it was really a struggle at the time. But when I met my boyfriend, we just talked and talked a lot about it. After some time and examination of myself, well, now I know that I'm non-binary. Now I finally know what I'm exactly feeling, because it was really strange to me. I was like, okay, I feel like a man, but I feel like a woman as well. I don't identify myself as a male or a female, so it was really difficult for me. But now I know that I'm identifying myself as just human. The third question is, what is the history of the name Fate Intervention? Well, probably as you guys know, my parents are very religious. I've been raised up very religious as well. So Fate was something really important, and I always found Fate a nice name, so that's why I named myself Fate. And I chose Intervention because I stepped out of the religion at that time, so I quit literally everything that has to do with faith, so Fate Intervention, to just become the person that I am today. It was a struggle, I'm telling you guys, it was really a struggle. A lot of crying, and I'm really happy that my boyfriend helps me a lot with it, because damn, it was not easy at all. It was actually really difficult, and I still cry sometimes, but that's life, okay? My parents choose to live their life, I chose to live my life, so it's all okay. Even though it's hard, it's all okay. Anyways, let's move on to question 4. How did you meet your girlfriend, boyfriend? Room, as you guys know, is my girlfriend. Okay, we met on Tinder. It was really fun though. We met in February and we've been dating for like almost a year now, so it's getting there. It was so fun though. Before we went to live here together, we've been calling literally every day and every night. This phone was non-stop calling. We were video calling, like phone didn't even die. It was like plugged in the charger every day because I needed to call with my man. So it was really a lot of fun. We had a great time. We still have a great time though. Don't get me wrong. We still have a great time. It's so cute when I think about it. I'm like, oh yes, so happy. Question 5 is, did Room get you into drag? Well, that's a funny story as well. I am really stubborn, like really. She helped me a bit with my contour, etc. But I didn't allow her to help me with literally anything. She was like, do you need to help you? No, you don't. She was like, can I do this for you? No, you don't. Can I do your makeup? No, you don't. So I said no so many times that she's not even asking me anymore. So I did everything myself, and I'm really proud of it. I wanted to experience drag by myself, to do everything by myself. And Room is a great artist and I love her a lot, but I wanted to learn everything by myself, so that's what I did. Let's go to question 6. Besides Room, who were your top 3 on Drag Race Holland? Well, that was Envy Peru, Chelsea Boy, and Janie Jacquet. Okay, Envy Peru. When she walks in the workroom, I knew exactly that she's gonna win this competition because, come on, it was Envy Peru, okay? We already knew what was going to happen. Chelsea boy, damn, that boy served some looks. I was like, girl, you're giving me everything, okay? I was shocked. Janie JK, she is a great artist and great performer. She is really a great performer. When Janie's on stage, I'm like, Janie, you giving it, girl. So that's my top 3 of Drag Race Holland besides Room. Question 7 is, which queen you would like to see on Drag Race Holland season 2? Well, I really want to see Vivaldi because she is a great artist. Really hoping to see her there. Lulu as well. Lulu is a great artist. I hope to see Room again in season 2 because she has so much more to offer. Because, I mean, the first time you need to prepare, it's really a new experience, so don't get me wrong, it's something new, it's something very exciting, so give her a chance because she can really serve some looks and she has great ideas and great concepts. So I really hope that they are giving her a new chance to show the world the talent that she has. The next question is question 8. If there would be Drag Race season 2, would you do an audition? Yes, I would definitely do a audition. I would love to be on the show. I really love Drag Race, but what I think that it's a pity is that the world is focusing so much on Drag Race that the queens that do not go on the show will be like kinda unknown. So I think it's really important to help your sisters out and keep promoting them on Instagram as well as your own page. So hell yes, I would do a audition. Well, I'm going to take another color. I'm going to take the I'm In It. It's this color. Question 9. What will be your entrance look on season 2 of Drag Race? Well, you guys will see. I'm not gonna say right now. If you guys know me well, you will probably know what look I will wear. So just wait and see. Question 10. What was your favorite look on Drag Race Holland? Well, it was definitely the first look of Chelsea Boy. That girl brought it. I literally loved everything she brought there. The next question is, what is your biggest inspiration for your looks? And who was or is your biggest drag inspiration and why? Okay, my biggest inspiration, I think literally everything on earth. Everything that I see inspiration in it. I'll be like, oh my god, there's a tree. I see a look. Oh my god, that's a book. Oh my god, I see a look with that book. I literally see everything as a look, okay? I think I really have a problem with that, but Room is the same. We'll literally be walking on the street. She'll be like, I love that. Okay, I see a new look. And it's really fun because we'll be like walking on the street, take our phones immediately and type like, okay, we have this new ID, blah, 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 blah. I sound like a robot, but okay, we don't care. My biggest drag inspiration, well, I love Naomi Smalls a lot. And I still think that she is a great drag queen. But at the moment, I don't really have a favorite drag queen. I'm just getting inspired by myself now. The next question is number 12. What is your ultimate goal? Well, when I was young, I really wanted to become famous. So actually, that's still my dream. I really want to be on the cover of Vogue. I would love that so much. I've been inspired by Vogue for such a long time. I've been reading all those magazines for years. Question 13. On the show Room View, I was amazed by you. Thank you, Lord baby. Are you also creating a review video? Well, God knows. Actually, I have a lot of great concepts and stuff coming up, so stay tuned and you will know very soon. Anyways, the next question is, what is your favorite wig? Well, it's the white wig, okay? I will show you a picture down there with my favorite wig. I love her. She was like straight before and I was like, okay, I need to style her. So I did my best and she looked so gorgeous and now it's my favorite wig. I love her a lot. So the next question is, do you have a favorite word? Well, it's kind of funny. I do have favorite words. I be like every day, hello, stuff like that. I say that a lot. Ata is like, it's kind of something that I created myself. It's like, I'm shocked, Ata. So every day I be like, Ata, and Room is like, Ata as well. So now we both Ata. Question 16, is drag expensive? Boy, I'm telling you, drag made me broke, okay? drag is really expensive, okay? You need to buy makeup, clothes, wigs. I heard that a lot of queens borrow stuff from each other. That's really smart though. I'm not really a fan of borrowing stuff, so it's not really my thing. But if you do it, I can definitely agree with you. It's really something great to do. I like to buy my own stuff. I took this shade because I was like, it's gonna be red, but it's turning out kinda pink, so I'm really confused, but I still love it. Does it look great? Yes or no? The next question is question 17. How are you, sweetie? Well, thanks for asking. I'm doing really great. Well, I was kind of expecting this question, but I was like, please do not come for me. But yes, how tall are you? Actually, I'm like 5'6", so I'm really small. It's like 1m69cm. But yeah, who cares? That's why I'm wearing heels from like 20 centimeters, because room, that bitch is tall, okay? She is really tall. So the next question is, what are your hopes for your future in drag? I hope to keep growing, to inspire other people to achieve my dreams that I want to get on the cover of Vogue. Also to keep motivating other people, to keep examining yourself, to learn new things about yourself, to keep playing with makeup and stuff like that. I really want to be happy and have a good relationship with Room and keep growing together and keep loving each other. That's everything. That's everything I need. Well guys, thank you so much for sending all these questions in. It was really fun to do it with you guys. It made me think about my life again. It made me think about my drag and stuff like that. So thank you guys a lot. I'm going to continue this video with a nice music and enjoy it, and thank you guys so much for the questions. Okay guys, this is the final look. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel please. And thank you all very much for sending all the questions. I really liked it and I hope to do it again with you guys soon. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.